Is it early enough for Christmas stuff?
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Are you still holding off on the DJI Action 3? Its behavior, what the camera can do and cannot do? Are you still worried about the focus issues that everyone is showing you? Are the shots too soft for you? That is a choice you're going to have to make if you decide for the Action 3. I'm going to put a pair of gloves on later, and I'm going to test out. Can I hit the mode on? Can I hit the quick snap? And can I touch sensitive the screen with the gloves? Is it going to be a camera that you could put on your head and say switch mode and it doesn't do it? You have to try to hit the side button, and putting all that pressure on the camera if you don't hold it in hold to switch because the buttons are very difficult to press. Getting the wrong external microphone, the T-type, blocking the mode on. And getting a microphone wireless adapter like the DJI sitting just in front of the lens. You're going to have to think of, is the DJI mic right or the small rig is right? By now you know who I am. I am Fish. Nice to know you. And I hope you decide on the right camera to get. The Action 3 is an excellent camera indeed. It's one of the best budget action cameras with rock steady and Horizont's balance. Now sometimes things don't work and they don't go the way they're supposed to. And you hope that firmware will fix the software. But sometimes it's not software and could be hardware. And then what do? You go on a forum and you say what you have to say. Also, you have a return policy, a warranty period, and yet the camera just came out late September. It's already November, and a lot of people who have the camera are still not returning for a replacement. That DJI wants you to have the best experience in the world. Rest assured, we'll fix your issue. If you're hanging out like these pigeons on the pole waiting for that fix, it's not going to happen in software because they already did it and reached out to everybody with betaware that is now official. Let alone, they should have reached to your channel and say, please put a ticket in and we'll take care of you. Some of the things I'm still trying to figure out is getting to the horizon calibration to work. And I am going to be in a better area right here. Maybe it needs to have the horizon, but some people got it to work by a simple press. So what gives? Could it be my firmware? Could it be my camera? I don't know. You know. And no way did calibration work. Calibration didn't work for the reason of something is wrong and I don't have a proper camera. Things happen. And what are you going to do? Worry about it? Why would you want to calibrate horizon when you got a perfect working camera? Well, that's what Insta360 One X2 was about. You had to calibrate that camera before you use it so everything worked properly. Oh yeah, I'll find those bugs and I'll find those issues and I'll point them out to you and tell you all about them and share them with you so you can get the best experience of your camera. And I think I am coming to the end of the GoPro Hero 10, that I can't find any more bugs and issues with that camera. And I just basically, hey, GoPro, get a camera that's going to have no more bugs and issues. So what did they do? The GoPro Hero 11. And when I went to get that camera, the first thing I did was plug it in. And what was the first bug and issue? You bet. You got that red LED. And the only way for these things to go away in the action camera is to get away from an action camera and start all over with a regular camera. And will you find a bug, an issue? Don't let these things bother you. They will work out just fine for you, and you will be enjoying your action camera. I got a song playing in my head, and it's by the Human League. Hard times. These are the things that are things are made of, something like that. And that's playing in my mind. And that is what, it relates to the action camera. And no, not the song Don't You Want Me Baby. The Human League, that was the time, man. Can't live the past, but you can listen to the music. I said a lot, I did a lot, I talked a lot. And welcome to Cement City, baby! And that is what an action camera is about. Sharing the fun, sharing a story, and hoping that maybe when you open up your presents, you'll find an Action 3 under the tree. I said my piece, and I am out of here. I am Fish, and I catch you on many other videos to come. See ya!